Hello, YouTube. Thought I'd do a quick video. I was able to find the information on the Retevis RT97S pinout on the DB9 connector. This is the GMRS two-way radio repeater. The Retevis does make a model, the RT97S, and I found what pins they are using. It's very interesting that it is this pretty much the same idea that I've had. And if you look at this, and I'll post a link to all this in the description below. If you look at this, we have mic, we have speaker out, that's mic ground, speaker ground, PTT. The only one that I have not found, which doesn't mean it's not there, I just got to figure out what pin that they're monitoring to let the system know if it's busy. Now this chart is actually for, I can't remember the website's name, some linking website. You can link your repeater to the internet. And this chart tells you how to convert or how to connect the RT97 to their connector. And this is the pin out. Pin 1 is actually pin 13, etc., etc. So I'm betting what the Retevis here, what they're doing here is they're pulling this right off that chip. Like I said, the one I haven't found yet is the busy, but that just because I don't see a pin called busy does not necessarily mean it's not there. So if I go back to the, and like I said, I'll post all this in the link description below. But if I go back to here and we look at this, I mean, we have the mic, we have the mic in, the audio out, we have the pin for transmit on, and if you look at the description of the pins, if you go down to here, we got the transmit on, which would be the PTT pin that they're talking about. The only one that I'd have to try to figure out is what pin they are considering a busy pin, which could be up here. It could be this data pin. I'm not really sure. I'd have to play around with it, but pretty much we have every pin that they have on here. We have every pin already figured out. So that's some good news. I think I'm on the right track, and I think it's going to be fairly easy to do this. Like I say, I'm waiting for parts. I had to get some very fine wire, and we're going to get the meter out, the scope out, and we're going to see how these signals look. It'd be interesting if I could figure out what pin we need to figure out what's the busy pin. It's an active low, so we'll have to see if we can figure that out. But I just want to point this video out quick. So at any rate, if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below, and please subscribe. Thank you.